Alright y'all, before I show you our day at the apple orchard, I thought I would share with you a quick and easy recipe for an apple pie. 2 ingredients, couldn't be any easier. It's just cinnamon rolls and apple pie filling. And all you're going to do is just take your pie pan and rub it with some butter. And then we're going to take the cinnamon rolls and we're just going to cut them thinly and take one layer and we're going to mash those into the pie pan, and that's going to be our crust. So I'm just going to get it as flattened as I can to cover up the bottom of the pie pan. Now I've got it all flattened out, and I'm going to use a can or a jar of my apple pie filling, and I'm going to put a layer on the top and just cover all the cinnamon rolls with it. Okay, and I'm going to take the other half of the cinnamon rolls and I'm going to lay those on the top. And I just flattened these out just a little bit before I laid them over the top. You don't have to do that much because they'll expand when they're baking in the oven. Right, I put them in the oven about 30 minutes until they were nicely browned and hot and bubbly. And I'm going to put that icing on the top. I mean, look at that, y'all. Apple pie filling and cinnamon rolls. How can it get any better than that? We took a trip to Knob Creek Farm and Creamery, and I thought I'd bring y'all along. It is such a gorgeous place, and they have delicious ice cream and lots of delicious apples. And look at this scenery. The little kids loved it, the big kids loved it too, so I thought I would bring you along and show you what they have here. And look at these gorgeous hanging baskets. These were the biggest baskets of flowers I have ever seen. They were gorgeous. And you've got lots of rocking chairs to sit and enjoy your ice cream or just even people watch. And we're going to head in and get some of this delicious ice cream. They have the best ice cream around, I think. And they also have a little store to the right. And look at that little John Deere tractor. It was adorable. And they've got lots of beautiful flower arrangements over there too. It was just gorgeous. As you can see, they've got lots of different flavors of ice cream. On this day they had some apple dumplings and some peach cobbler, which is my all-time favorite, especially with some ice cream on top. Lots of places to sit and eat your ice cream if you don't want to sit outside and enjoy the beautiful weather. They also had this store on the other side that had lots of jams, jellies. They sold t-shirts and hats, even toys. What kind did you get?
I got chocolate.
What kind did you get?
I got chocolate.
What kind did you get? Vanilla? What kind did you get?
I got chocolate.
Chocolate?
Say, Mama, what kind did you get?
I got some peach cobbler and some vanilla ice cream.
Man,
Yummy.
that chocolate is
We
good.
got.
Now we're going to go on this side and pick us out some apples. They had lots of different varieties, and you could also mix and match. They did have some more ciders back there and also some jams and jellies. And right here is what they had available today. They also had this other gorgeous patio, y'all. It was beautiful. It was so peaceful and relaxing. Then the boys got to come out here and climb on these John Deere tractors. They had a blast. I hope y'all enjoyed spending the day with us at Knob Creek. We had a great time and we will definitely be back. So I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I'll see y'all in the next video.